out. I'm gonna punish my opponent. I just hope nothing bad gonna happen. He gonna walk out by his legs from ring.
Perfect. Oh, down goes Bihar. No surprise, and he's down.
Noong underdog si Donaire kontra sa knockout artist ng bansang Armenia. Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Sa videong ito tampok ko sa inyo ang nakakagulat na laban ng ating kababayang si Nonito Donaire kontra sa kilabot na kaliwete at knockout artist ng flyweight division na si Vic Darchinyan. Pero bago yan, kung bago ka palang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. July 7, 2007 sa Connecticut naganap ang makasaysayang laban ni The Flash Donaire. Ayon sa mga boxing analyst ay talagang dihado itong si Donaire. May record na 17 wins, 1 loss at 10 KO, pero wala pa daw itong nakaharap na talagang matibay na boksingero. At ito din ang unang world title fight niya, kaya naman talagang underdog siya. Kalaban kasi niya dito ang defending champion, hari ng flyweight division at kilabot na knockout artist na taga Armenia. 28 wins at 20 dito via knockout, at kasama pa ang kuya ni Nonito Donaire na si Glenn Donaire sa nabiktima niya nang basagin nito ang panga.
But don't ask me to say it again. He gets examined. Whether it's actually broken or not, we don't know.
Put some ice on it. Ice.
But Al, with those punches, I wouldn't doubt it.
Sa isang interview, sinabi ni Vic Darchinyan na paparusahan niya gamit ang kamao itong si Donaire at tatapusin sa pamamagitan ng knockout. Kaya niyang in-knockout lahat ng makalaban niya dahil naniniwala daw talaga siya sa lakas ng kamao niya. Sa halip na matakot si The Flash, ay mas lalo siyang ginanahan na umpisahan na agad ang bakbakan dahil sa gusto na rin niyang iganti ang kuyang na biktima nitong kilabot ng Armenia. Sa laban, dihado si Donaire sa mga boxing fan at pati sa experience nitong Armenian, pero may advantage naman ang ating kababayan kung height at reach ang pag-uusapan.
Let's get popping.
Sa gabi ng sagupaan, nagsalpukan ang dalawang boksingero na parehong gustong manalo. Unang round, makikitang kumpiyansa itong si Darchinyan na kaya niya si The Flash, walang depensa, habang mas agresibo at tumatama ng solido itong si Donaire.
And a wild swing and a miss with the left by Darchinyan. The free swing.
Honest, in the first half of round one, he's been hit more than we've seen in all the fights, and he's getting whacked like Donaire.
He just got hit. That was a decision of Darchinyan's uppercut, but that straight left can really wear you down.
Nonito Donaire is having his way with Vic Darchinyan. There's the right hand landing, and even those wide, the plot is thickening a bit.
Excellent opening round for the challenger, Nonito Donaire.
You know what I'm
Second round,
surprised at?
patuloy na
And it's a
tumatama
good
si
weapon.
Donaire kumpara sa liyamadong si Darchinyan.
Donaire to the head.
Times in fights since.
Oh, Darchinyan got nailed and then he came back. Here's a right hand, a miss by Donaire with the left. There he is now, jaw healed, a very interested spectator on hand to support his kid.
Third round, patuloy na mas agresibo itong hindi pa kilalang si Donaire, habang si Darchinyan naman ay patuloy sa paghahanap ng tiyempo para mapatama ang pamatay nitong kaliwang kamao.
To the right. Against Darchinyan, he had to sort of get in his chest, push him back.
Ilang beses na sa sa di inaasahang counter na kaliwa ni Donaire itong knockout artist ng Armenia. Nahilo ng ilang beses.
Donaire, sensing the moment.
A portent of things to come, because there's a good counter left hook by Donaire that hurt Darchinyan.
At sa fourth round, ay patuloy pa rin sa pagbaba ng depensa itong si Vic Darchinyan. Walang ginawang adjustment si Vic sa counter left hook ni Donaire.
Just tasted a straight left hand. Now, that right. A nice counter left there by Donaire. Another counter there.
Bro, if you hit him with those kind of punches, you'll knock him out. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Back to you, Steve.
Thank you very much, Jim. Boy, he made me nervous. They are two different.
Round 5 ay hilo ang inabot nitong defending champion. Sa sa pamatay na counter left hook ang defending champion na bumagsak sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon sa kanyang impresibong karera.
After 4 rounds.
I have a 39-37 as Sherman Cain does. Jab by Nonito Donaire working well. Oh, my!
Look out! Darchinyan down for the first time!
Pinilit pa nitong bumangon pero wala na. Hilo na talaga at tinapos na ng referee ang laban nila.
Nonito Donaire has pulled off the monstrous upset in emphatic fashion.
Talagang nagulantang ang mundo ng boxing. Kahit boxing commentator ay di makapaniwala at tinuturing ito na biggest upset at knockout of the year.
They're bringing in the equipment, the stretcher. Boy, you hit it right on the head. The irony, just like they brought it in for Victor Burgos back in March.
Nakuha ni Donaire ang panalo via 5th round TKO at tinanghal na bagong may hawak ng titulo at nadungisa naman ang kartada ng hambog na Armenian. Tagumpay na nag-wristback si Nonito sa bumasag sa panga ng kanyang kuya at dito din nag-umpisang nakilala sa mundo ng boxing.
Clearly, we know he was hurt.
Ang sinabi ni Darchinyan na patutumbahin niya si Donaire ay sobrang kabaliktaran ang nangyari.
And that unalterably
Knockout and the new IBF and IBO flyweight champion of the world, the Filipino Flash, Nonito Donaire.
Matapos ang laban, sa interview ng dalawa, sinabi ni Donaire na malaki ang respeto niya sa Armenian. Pero itong si Darchinyan ay tila di matanggap ang naging resulta sa laban.
And I hope all the Filipinos fighter will make it happen. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Let me.
Di matanggap na baliktad ang resulta si sinabi niya na i-KO si Donaire.
And
You don't feel you were hurt?
I will back. I will show him what was the punch. I feel very bad.
As I said, Vic, I have a lot of respect for you. You're a great fighter. You gave me a hell of a fight. Come back from it.
Fight me, you respect me? You gonna fight me again?
Definitely. Hey,
You're gonna fight me?
one thing I have to say is that it's Gary Shaw's call, my manager's call. When they called me up for this fight, I never said anything. I said, all right, this is an opportunity. I will. And like I said,
First time in my life.
Okay,
I
Vic.
would love to take rematch and I would like fight him, you know? And
We'll see what's happening down the road.
I came in here underdog and never, people didn't believe in it. I believed in myself.
They're all believing in you now. Congratulations to the entire Donaire family. Nonito, congratulations.
Sa akong mga kaparintiyan, mga amigo na ko tanan, salamat kayo sa inyo ang tanan.
that he was dominated by Nonito Donaire. And, he's a confident, some say cocky young man, but he lost tonight, and that's a fact.
That's beyond belief.
Yeah.
The words that came out of his mouth. Well, at 24, Nonito Donaire, the new IBF flyweight champion, as he came down from 115, now 18-1 with 11 knockouts.
Naging fight of the year nga ang laban at isa sa greatest upset sa boxing. Palike naman ang video kung nagustuhan ninyo ito. Salamat sa panonood mga pre. As always, amping pirme.